नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। आई एम JVN डॉक्टर रूपेश अमलेकार, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ क्रिया शारीर, फैकल्टी ऑफ आयुर्वेदिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर. Today we will discuss last part of thyroid gland. Mode of action of thyroid hormone. In the target cells, particularly cells of liver, muscle and kidney, most of the T4 is deiodinated to form T3. So, the true intracellular hormone is T3 rather than T4. Thyroid hormones act by activating the genes and increasing the genetic transcription. Regulation of secretion of thyroid hormones. Secretion of thyroid hormones is controlled by anterior pituitary and hypothalamus through feedback mechanism. Thyroid hormones regulate their own secretion through negative feedback control by inhibiting the release of thyroid releasing hormone from hypothalamus and thyroid stimulating hormone from anterior pituitary gland. Let's start applied physiology. Hyperthyroidism. Increased secretion of thyroid hormones is called hyperthyroidism. Causes of hyperthyroidism. Hyperthyroidism is caused by first Graves' disease, second thyroid adenoma. Graves' disease is an autoimmune disease and it is the most common cause of hyperthyroidism. Normally, TSH combines with the surface receptor of thyroid cells and causes the synthesis and secretion of thyroid hormones. In Graves' disease, the B lymphocytes produce autoimmune antibodies called thyroid stimulating autoantibodies. These antibodies act like TSH by binding with membrane receptor of TSH and activating CAMP system of the thyroid follicular cells. This results in hypersecretion of thyroid hormones. Thyroid adenoma. Sometimes a localized tumor develops in the thyroid tissue. It is known as thyroid adenoma and it secretes large quantities of thyroid hormones. Signs and symptoms of hyperthyroidism. First, intolerance to heat as the body produces lot of heat due to increased basal metabolic rate caused by excess of thyroxine. Second, increased sweating due to vasodilation. Third, decreased body weight due to fat mobilization. Diarrhea due to increased motility of GI tract. Muscular weakness because of excess protein catabolism. Nervousness, extreme fatigue, inability to sleep, mild tremor in the hands, psychoneurotic symptoms such as hyperexcitability, extreme anxiety or worry, toxic goiter, oligomenorrhea or amenorrhea, exophthalmos, polycythemia, tachycardia, atrial fibrillation, systolic hypertension, cardiac failure. Exophthalmos is protrusion of eyeballs. Hypothyroidism. Decreased secretion of thyroid hormones is called hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism leads to myxedema in adults and cretinism in children. Myxedema is the hypothyroidism in adults characterized by generalized edematous appearance. It occurs due to diseases of thyroid gland, genetic disorder, or iodine deficiency. Cretinism is the hypothyroidism in children characterized by stunted growth. It occurs due to congenital absence of thyroid gland or genetic disorder or lack of iodine in the diet. Other general features of hypothyroidism in adults are: first, anemia; second, fatigue and muscular sluggishness; extreme somnolence with sleeping up to 14 to 16 hours per day; menorrhagia or polymenorrhea; decreased cardiovascular functions such as reduction in rate and force of contraction of the heart, cardiac output, and blood volume; increase in body weight, constipation, mental sluggishness, depressed hair growth, scaliness of the skin, frog like husky voice, and cold intolerance. So, here we end the topic thyroid gland, in which we studied histology of thyroid gland, hormones of thyroid gland, synthesis of thyroid hormones, storage and release of thyroid hormone, transport of thyroid hormones, functions of thyroid hormones, mode of action of thyroid hormones, and applied physiology of thyroid gland. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.